Welcome to the Rockwood Mountain Gardener. This is the Winter Sow System results, GV01.009. I noticed today that I have one of my bottles in the Winter Sow System that had some seedlings coming up. This is bottle number 28. I number all my bottles. I opened it up and these are little broccoli plants. They were sowed on February the 5th and put directly out in all the weather. Here I'm taking a fork and just slightly pulling those little plants out of that container. And these were 2016 seeds, so they were about 3 years old right now. And this is green sprouting calabrese. These seedlings are. These seeds came from Fairy Morse and came from the Walmart. But here I'm taking the seedlings and I'm just slightly picking them out and separating them from the soil, trying not to disturb the other seedlings in the container. I take a pencil and I moisten all the soil and put them in these styrofoam trays. I really like those. And what I do is I make a hole with a pencil and just drop the little seedling down in there and cover it back up. Here you see me just taking the pencil, just pushing the seedling down in the soil. The soil is wet, it's damp. Here you see it's number 28A1. Now every time that I take and do something about the seedlings, I always take my book with me. And here you're going to see the date, and this is called A1, and I had 12 broccoli plants. Thanks for watching the Rockwood Mountain Gardener. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and happy gardening.